This demonstration of cohesion is not just a ceremonial activity, but a manifestation of our resolve to listen, move forward, and walk together. Despite our opposing views, which sometimes engender animosity, knowing that our ultimate goal, which is the well-being of our province and its people, is not lost among us, is proof of our political maturity and progressiveness. Our ability to put away hostility and observe humility and magnanimity are the reasons why elections in Benguet is the most peaceful in the country.
We stand together as one people in preparation for an election that will shape our future for the years to come. Elections is not about just casting a vote. They are about upholding the sanctity of the process, ensuring that each vote counts and that every voice is heard. Dear aspirants, the pledge that you made today is as follows. It says first, ako ay makikilahok sa halalang 2025 na may wagas na intensyong maglingkod sa mamamayan. In English, I will participate in the 2025 elections in a way that aims to serve the people. This is a promise to put the needs and interests of the people at the center of every decision you make. It means running a campaign that is not about personal gain, but about the collective welfare of Benguet's residents. Ensuring that each decision benefits our families, our communities, and our future.
Uray pa idi napalabas ng elections kat one of the provinces of the entire Cordillera in the Philippines kat Benguet iti may sanga natal na kana anaya iti election na. So diya iti dawat iti Benguet Provincial Office no under the leadership of Police Colonel Bayungasa na i-maintain tayo kuma tapno iti kastakat enjoy tayo iti diya naragsak na anayas natal ng electoral or election processes in the province of Benguet.